deemed the specialty crew. We got our maintenance sheds, we got our constructions, but then anything else that maintenance doesn't really cover, we do. Drainage, signs, crash cushions, attenuators, welding, fabricating, carpentry. Oh yeah, that's the captain of the team there.
It's the only one basically in this region, and if it goes down, then it's going to cost the state more money. I like to do it as much as I can. Obviously, that's not always plausible. We like to just deep clean it.
We have a lot of older equipment, but you wouldn't even really be able to tell because we take care of it. Last thing we want to do is come out here and the truck breaks down.
Do what we can to be the safest. We follow all the protocols.
It's all that pre-trips, post-trips, inspecting your truck, knowing your truck. The snow season coming up, we're kind of having maintenance sheds. Hey, can you guys go out while you're sweeping, road raking, whatever, and inspect your drains?
I was noticing a lot of debris.
Yep.
Is that just normal routine?
Yep. First step, kind of inspect the pipe if it needs to be cleaned or not, and then if it does, pull the grate off. You usually have to spray the grate on the top if it's too full. So you got to use that vacuum, and then you can spray around the material, and then that vacuum sucks it up, but that spray gun will push it to it, and then you can clean the whole box out.
I was spraying around, but then I saw the back was going to have a hard time, so I just decided to zigzag through the material that was on the ground.
Yep.
How did I do?
Don't be scared to get down in there with me.
Did good. It takes a lot to learn, huh? There's a lot to it. A lot more than you think.
I felt like I was going to find a way to do it wrong, though.
No, we'll mentor you.
Does it look bad?
What we do with the new guys is the same step. Just, talk them through it. If you got to show them. Finding out if someone's more hands-on learning. We're always watching each other's back. We want everyone to get home safe. It's just team building, and our team morale is awesome. Spring, summer, fall is getting ready and prepared for the winter. Our winters it's top priority when it starts snowing. Like this one, unfortunately it had to flood, so it won't take the material. So if we build up a windrow of snow and then the sun comes out and melts it, and then it freezes, it's gonna run right on the roadway and cause black ice. So our biggest focus is what drains won't allow water to go in it, and we gotta get to them as soon as possible. People see it as once construction's done, that road's done. No, once that road's built and done, it's up to these guys and us to maintain that road, to make that section of roadway last as long as possible.